get into our accessibility code. ADA, which is the Americans with Disabilities Act, and ANSI, which is the American National Standards Institute. Okay, they're very similar as far as the accessibility parts of those. Those codes, you got to remember, they encompass more than just building. They encompass your work rights, your way things are enforced. The part that we're concerned about is the accessibility part. The first one that we're going to talk about is the Americans with Disabilities Act. We refer to it as the ADA. It was actually started in 1988, and this is put out by the Department of Justice. This is a government code, okay? So any kind of building that is a government building has to be done under ADA. So buildings here on campus, because we are a public entity, need to follow ADA. Like I said, it's administered by the Department of Justice. It's enforced through legal action. Say you're in a wheelchair. You go down to that bathroom down there, you're a woman. Go in the women's bathroom that we went in the other day. Get inside just fine. You don't have any problem getting in. Then you get in there, you do your business, you turn around and you try to come out. Well, because of that little chain that's built there next to the door, you may have problems reaching that handle. Because by code, it's supposed to have a certain distance beside it. So what you would do, you would go to Department of Justice and you would file a claim. And then they would contact OTC, and OTC would explain, we have other facilities they could use, blah, 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 and all that kind of stuff. But probably nothing would happen. You can be prosecuted. So you want to make sure that you're doing things correctly. And then the other one is the ANSI. And again, the part that we're concerned about is the A117.1. That is the accessibility part of that code. So ANSI is what the city of Springfield uses. And they're very, very similar. There are a few differences. So the way most of the companies I worked for, if we did a building that was a public building and it went through the city of Springfield, we would use the more stringent of either code. So if the ANSI said you only had to have 10 inches, but ADA says you have to have 12 inches, we would do 12 inches. That way we're covered. Again, they're very, very similar, but what we're going to use in this class is we're going to use the ANSI.
That concludes the discussion on the accessibility codes. Next, we are going to be looking at the Springfield codes that we will be using in our project.